And welcome back. So guys, I've been really busy this week. I've been doing some renovations, as you can see, a full open plan kitchen setup, bulkheads and everything going forward. Well guys, I've got a great new APK for you, Catoonhd HD Lite. It brings you TV shows, movies, all in HD guys, 720 streams, and this is a one-click APK. So as we look at movies guys, it actually works quite seamlessly and fast as well. Just going to get my mouse pointer ready for me. There we go guys. As we see, there's tons of movies. It loads up super fast. So let's try one of these movies guys to show you how quick they actually work. Let's try this. So as you see guys, it gives you a bit of info and then you got the video itself. You come down to video and you click play. There you see it guys, 720p video, and we're gonna click play once more. And there you have it guys, 720 stream. Just gonna stop it there. Guys, as you see, the stream works really well and it loads up pretty fast. You've got a whole list of TV shows as well in the burger menu. So it is quite tiresome with the remote itself, so it's good to actually use a mouse pointer or a fire stick remote. It's a light version, so remember guys, there's ad-free version as well, so there's no ads. It's got a filter, a search option and a TV menu. So I can just get this thing up onto the top right corner and then select TV shows, and there we have it guys, and there it brings up all your TV shows. As you see guys, it works flawlessly. Let's try one of the TV shows for you guys. Remember guys, to actually get this working, you need to get it to the right hand side of the screen and then you come down to actually get it searching, and there you see it actually highlighted in green, and we can pick one of these TV shows. Let's try Power guys, anticipated season 5. So you go to videos and it gives you all the seasons guys. So there's all the seasons, and there's the latest one aired out, season 5 episode 1. We're going to click on that and it gives you a 720 copy, and we're going to click play. And there we have it guys, 720 stream of your TV shows. So I'm going to click stop there. So guys, it's a great new APK, works really well, and it's a light version and it's ad free. So guys, let's get down to installing this. So I'm going to close this down. So firstly, you'll need to actually download a file link. So you need to go into your browser, or if you're using a fire stick, you're going to go into downloader and you'll need to type in the file link.com or droidadmin.com link. So I'm just going to go to my browser. There's it there. And we're going to go click on the search, and we're going to type in droid admin, and as you see guys, it picks up right on the top already. So I'm just going to click on that. So once the page opens up guys, you're actually going to scroll down and you're going to click on download file link. Once downloaded, you're going to install the apk, and then you're going to exit. Then you're going to go to the downloaded apk, which will be file link, and you'll click on that, guys. You'll get a message like this. You're going to dismiss. So I'm just going to show you something about this, guys. So when you actually open up file link, it's going to ask you for a secret code, and there's the code there, guys. You can pause the video and take down the code, but I will leave it in the description down below. However, guys, once the code is entered, it's going to ask you for a PIN code. So if you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed to it, you will need to go to get PIN. It'll take you to my channel. You click subscribe, and then you'll get a pop-up message giving you the code to actually enter the store. Guys, if you already subscribed, just go to my channel and automatically the video will be there for you. Right? So I'm just going to pause the video while I enter the PIN. Just hold. Right, guys, as you see, welcome to Romeo's store. We're going to click dismiss, and welcome to my store. So we've got Streamer Rust, Terrarium TV, Kodi, FreeFlakes. You practically have all the new APKs, guys. So just going to dismiss that. If you come right down to the bottom, you have Catoonhd HD version 3.3. So guys, just click on the download button. It'll start to download. Doesn't take really long to download. It's quite a small file. And then you're going to click on the play sign at the right hand side corner, and that's going to ask you to install, and you're going to click install. Once installed, you can now go back out and enjoy this new APK, guys. I hope this video was up to your standards. So guys, enjoy the streaming, and please leave those comments down below and hit that subscribe tab. Don't forget, or you will not get the PIN. Thanks, guys.